This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a power driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel controls, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.